Hey guys, so it's about 5 degrees, raining, and we're gonna go head up into the forest and just putter about. So let's go. It's really cold. Well, not really cold, but cold enough. My fingers are a little sore. And my schnauzer is a little drippy. But it's really pretty out here. 5 degrees Celsius, so not that cold. Cold enough for my little fingers.
Ooh, hello.
Well, so much for heading home. We spotted this 2-track on the way down, and it was too nice to resist, so up we went to see what we could find. sun is starting to come down a bit harder now, so I think it's time for the Grasshopper and Bagheera and friends to head on home for a warm cup of tea. We had a great time, loved riding in the rain. The forest is a magical place with the misty clouds. Thanks for watching, everybody, and safe travels.
Close your eyes. What do you hear?
I hear the water. I hear the birds.
Do you hear your own heartbeat?
No.
Do you hear the grasshopper, which is at your feet?